Alright, now we're going to write the equations of the lines that form the rectangle or triangle. Write the equation in slope-intercept form if possible. So you can see the rectangle here. So there's the rectangle, and what we have here is we actually have 4 lines. So we have this vertical line, this vertical line, and then this horizontal line, and finally this horizontal line. So those are the 4 lines that we're going to write the equations for. So just like in the last example, here we're talking about horizontal and vertical lines. And so look at this line. Does it touch the y-axis? So is it touching this at all? No, it only touches the x. So that tells us it's going to be x equals. Now where does it touch the x-axis? So here's 0. So when you go to the left, your negative numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it touches at -5. So the yellow line is x equals -5. The blue line is also vertical, so it's going to be x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is x equals 5. Now as we look at the green line touches the y, and it touches the y at +2. And it touches the y down here at -2. So those are the 4 lines that make up that rectangle. Okay, so as we look at 15, now we don't actually need 4 lines here because we have a triangle. So you can kind of ignore one of those lines. So we have this line, and we have this line, and we have this line. Now these lines will be in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And so I'm going to go ahead and write y equals, y equals, y equals. And we'll start by finding the b value. And the b value is the easiest one to find because we're just going to look at the y-intercept. So for the yellow line, it touches right here. And so that's at 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the yellow line, we know it's going to be +4. And you can see that it's also the same for the green line. So that also has a y-intercept of +4. Now the blue line, although it doesn't have a dot there, you can clearly see that it touches right here at -1, -1. So now we're going to find the m, and the m is the slope. And so just remember that slope is rise over run. And so as you look at the yellow line, is it positive or negative? Is it going up or is it going down? It's going up, so that's going to tell us that we're going to have a positive slope. The blue line's going down, so that tells us we're going to have a negative slope. And the green line's going down, so that tells us we have a negative slope. So we'll start with the yellow line. We need to figure out how much we need to go up from this dot to this dot. So I have to go up 1, 2, 3. So our slope is going to be up 3. And then I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 3 over 6. And that 3 over 6 will reduce to 1/2. So we have 1/2 x plus 4. That's the slope of our yellow line. Now let's find the slope of our blue line. Okay, so we're going to go from this dot, and since this is the dot that's given, let's use that. So we're going to go from this dot to this dot. So we're going to go from this dot, and since this is the dot that's given, let's use this dot. So we're going to go from this dot So now I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. I went down 3, so that's negative 3. And then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So whenever you have a fraction, you always reduce it, and so that reduces to negative 1/3. So our slope here is negative 1/3 x. And finally, our green line, that's going to have a slope. So we're going to start here and go to this dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we went down 6. And then over 1, 2, 3. And so negative 6 over 3 becomes negative 2. This one has a negative 2x. So those are our three equations that form that triangle.